transferred to Auckland, and that wasn't for me. It was good at the beginning because I was working for a wine company, and we had really great premises, great locations, but they just got too big.
Right.
So they had to relocate, and where they went was the big industrial area, so it was just all bulk, you know.
Right.
Stainless steel and white tiles and white overalls, you know. It was just too. It was just too. Was it? Yeah, it was just too clean for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a hospital.
Yeah.
Did this used to have a globe in there? Wizard staff?
Yeah.
Was it a little ball? No.
Yeah, you could, eh? Yeah, but that's actually the burl that goes off the Gidgee tree, you know. Yeah.
Gandalf would have been proud with
The
that.
mistletoe would be growing from there, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Mistletoe, yeah, because that's the tree.
Yeah.
Trying to deal with the seed that the mistletoe birds laid on, or because when they have a crap, it's really sticky with the seed.
Yeah.
And the seed will start to grow, and this is the tree itself, the Gidgee in this case. I'm trying to deal with that growth, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you've got others that happen on a different type of tree. This is the native orange, and I've just been
Native orange.
Native orange. So it's sort of just making up these like spoons, you know, just holding them
Yeah.
out. Yeah. It's Aboriginal food.
Yeah.
Native orange. Yeah.
How big are they?
Oh, some of them can get up to 40 millimeters.
Yeah.
Not big, and they only got a little outer layer of fruit, you know, probably about a mil or two thick, you know, so you need a lot.
And does it taste anything like an orange that we know? No.
No, it's not. It's a mixture of flavours, actually. It's got a little bit of bitterness with it, too.
Okay, all
So
right.
maybe that could sort of connect that with citrus.
Oh. And there's the chair where it all works, eh?
Yeah.
So you work away at this chair?
Yeah, no, I'm mostly working out here.
Working out
But
there.
that's where I'm sitting down, just trying to just get some ideas together, you know. It's my thinking chair.
Yes.
But I've got this only a friend dropped off yesterday, but just everything's sort of laid here, just like you do on the kitchen table at home.
Yes, yes.
You just put things in, and just everything sort of just patch comes together, you know.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Could I get a photo of you there? I am doing a